Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace boost listing not showing in 2025. First, let's review the listing for policy violations. Make sure your item follows all Facebook commerce policies. Listings with banned items or inappropriate content won't get approved for boosting. Remove anything that breaks the rules to pass the review. Step 2. Double check listing status. Make sure your listing isn't marked as sold. Avoid posting duplicate listings, as both can block the boost option. Also, confirm your Facebook ad account is active and doesn't have any restrictions from suspicious activity. Step 3. Edit the listing to make it unique. If your listing was flagged as a duplicate, try updating the title, swapping out the photos, or rewriting the description to make it stand out. Keep your description concise at first, since long descriptions have been known to trigger errors. Step 4. Try the draft method, which is an optional fix. If you're running into issues with the next or publish buttons not working, create your listing and save it as a draft instead of publishing right away. Then go to drafts, open your saved listing, and publish it from there. This helps bypass common bugs some users encounter. Step 5. Boost your listing correctly. Head over to Marketplace, your account, then your listings. Select the item you want to promote and tap Boost Listing. Choose your budget, set the duration, define your target audience, and launch your ad. This starts your campaign the right way. Legal notice and policy compliance. This guide uses only official Facebook tools and features, sticking to public settings without violating any rules. It avoids shady workarounds and ensures you stay compliant with both Facebook's commerce policies and YouTube's content guidelines. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.